Like some animals don't see good at all. Like pigs don't see good at all.
Yeah.
You just freeze on a pig. They don't know what the fuck's going on.
For sure.
Eagles.
Not like little mice in the fucking
Yeah,
field.
eagles have the best probably
yeah.
sight. Yeah, they can see for miles and miles and miles.
My friend from Alaska, he goes halibut fishing all the time. He said if you're pulling a fish up, an eagle can see it miles away.
That's it. That's some dinosaur shit. That's how you know dinosaur shit is at play. Miles?
But
Grizzly can find an elk carcass when it's underwater, and polar bears can smell a seal through 3 feet of ice.
oh Jesus fuck!
3 fucking feet of ice?
Christ! Oh my God!
That's insane.
3 feet of ice. That is a fucking monster.